apocalypse alone. So you make friendships, you perform tasks together. You figure out who you need to ride out the chaos and who's expendable.
I haven't seen anything to eat.
Holy shit!
It's one of those twists of fates. I set it off.
Where is it?
You've been infected by anthrax from a nearby laboratory explosion. An antidote can be found by the river. You have 2 minutes.
Mission fucking accomplished.
Wait, this is too easy. Maybe this is a trap to make us lose the game.
What trap? It's a hunter's camp, sister.
Besides, I really don't want to run into Michael at the trailer.
You're kidding. No, you're crazy. Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Holy shit. The whole family's deformed. We have to get out of here. What? Now. They killed her!
What?
No!
That's Kimberly's tattoo. Holy shit. That's her leg.
They're not trapping bears. They're trapping people. Fuck you!